Senior Highschool Surabaya.
Hello everyone!
We're from 21 Senior Highschool
Surabaya.
My name is Nabila Ramadhani Ilmi.
My name is Anisa Faadhillah Syafitri.
My name is Theresia Diva C.A.
My name is Khansa Mutia.
My name is Nadine Fidelya Rioli.
Hello everyone! Now we're going to take water sample at 3 points from Suramadu, Surabaya. First, measure the pH and moisture of the water. The pH is 1 and the moisture is 10. Now, we're going to take water samples at Batu Beach. These are the water samples that we got. Water sample from A.1, water sample from point A2, water sample from A3, water sample from B1, water sample from B2, and water sample from B3. These samples will be taken to the lab to be tested and researched.
This is the ingredients that we use. First, we got corn husk, coconut shell, and the water samples of Kenjeran beach.
Cut the coconut shell into small pieces. Separate the corn husk. Dry the coconut shell and corn husk under the sunlight. Cut the dried corn husk into small pieces. Toast the corn husk until it turns brown.
Next step is grind the dried corn husk with food processor.
First, put the toasted corn husk in the food processor. Secure the food processor. And then crush the corn husk until it becomes powder. Strain it to get a finer powder or particles. The final result should be like this. For the dried coconut shell, spread only half of the dried coconut shell on the trays. Next, put in a preheated oven. Let it roast for about 1 hour on 150 degrees temperature. Cut the rest coconut shell into small pieces and then roast the coconut shell. After 1 hour, put the roasted and finely cut coconut shell into the food processor to be crushed. Don't forget to secure the food processor. Next, blend or crush it until the fiber is separated. Strain the coconut shell. The purpose is to separate the powder and coconut shell fiber.
Now we're going to measure the turbidity of the water. First, we're going to measure the water from the Suramadu. And then measure the height of the water.
Don't forget to mark the first height on the bottle. The next step is reduce the water little by little until you see the X mark on the bottom of the bottle cap. If the X mark is already visible, don't forget to mark on the bottle, and this is called the second height.
And then repeat the same step.
Measure the first height and mark on the bottle. Mix coconut and corn powder in a ratio of 2 to 1. Sprinkle the mixed powder into the water from Suramadu with water amount of 1000 milliliters. And don't forget to stir. This is the result by keeping it for 2 until 4 hours. This can help reduce the level of zinc and copper in the water. As you can see, the powder is already settled.
The conclusions are a mixture of coconut shell powder and corn husk powder with a ratio of 2 to 1 can help to reduce heavy metals contained in water samples that we have taken from Kenjeran beach. Details of the dose are 0.5 grams of coconut shell powder for 100 ml of water and 0.25 grams corn husk powder for 100 ml of water. And it is hoped that the research we do can be applied and help reduce pollution in Kenjeran beach and the water surrounding it. After checking the turbidity of water samples from Suramadu and Kenjeran beach with bottles, the result we get is first height of water 1 is 18 cm. Second height of water 1 is 5 cm. First height of water 2 is 19 cm. And the second of water 2 is 6 cm.